Welcome to Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support for when the divorce process has finished. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics related to post-divorce. Together, we'll explore the emotional, financial, and legal aspects of life after divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hello and welcome to Breaking Ties, a new you after divorced. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. And today we are going to delve into the topic that's both sensitive and important for many individuals, navigating the aftermath of a divorce. We're going to talk about grandparents' visitation rights once the divorce is final. Divorce is undoubtedly a challenging journey. I don't think I need to say that. And it affects not only the couple, but also the extended family. Today, we're focusing on the rights of grandparents to maintain a relationship with their grandchildren, even as the family dynamic undergoes significant changes. Now, it's important to note that laws regarding grandparents' visitation rights vary from state to state and even internationally. So you're going to want to look those up and you're going to want to become familiar with those. If you need to, talk with an attorney as well to find out exactly what grandparents' rights are. It is a complex legal landscape, but one that we're going to shed some light on, and it's often an overlooked topic after the divorce is final. So why is this topic so important? Grandparents really play a unique role and are irreplaceable in that role of a child's life. They offer love, wisdom, and stability. But what happens when a divorce disrupts this dynamic? Are grandparents entitled to visitation rights? In many jurisdictions, grandparents do have legal standing to seek visitation rights, but not always a straightforward process. Courts generally consider the best interest of the child, taking into account the relationship the grandparents had with the child and the impact of continued visitation on the child's well-being. But what can you do if you're a grandparent facing difficulties in maintaining a relationship with your grandchildren after a divorce? Communication is key. Reach out to the custodial parent, express your intentions, and attempt to find common ground. In many cases, an amicable solution can be reached outside of the courtroom. Of course, not every situation is easily resolved through the communication alone. Legal action may be necessary in some cases. Consulting with a family attorney who specializes in grandparents' rights can provide guidance on the specific laws in your jurisdiction and help you navigate the legal process. It's essential to emphasize that every family is unique. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. The emotional well-being of the child, the parents' rights, and the grandparents' rights must all be carefully considered to reach the outcome that truly serves the best interest of the child. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with some words of encouragement. Divorce is undoubtedly a difficult chapter in life, but it can also be an opportunity for growth and positive change. By maintaining open communication and focusing on the well-being of everyone involved, families can find new ways to support each other, even in the face of significant changes. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce. Should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, feel free to contact me using the information in the podcast description. Happy to help any way I can. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Tune in next time as we continue to explore topics that empower you to embrace the next chapter of your life. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones.
We want to thank you for listening to this episode of Breaking Ties, a new you after divorce with Mike Fulkerson. For questions, please reach out to Mike via email in the description or give him a shout at 630-444-1410. Remember to subscribe, like, and follow.